Have you noticed black mold appearing on your walls, tiles, or around your windows? Don't ignore it. Mold spreads quickly, damages your home, and can even affect your health. But today I'll show you a powerful homemade spray that many people use to remove mold for good. And the best part? You only need a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. But before we make the spray, there's something most people don't realize. Mold often appears because of poor air circulation. If fresh air cannot move around your home, moisture builds up. And when moisture stays trapped, mold and fungi start to grow. Here's a simple trick many people don't know. Most plastic windows actually have a hidden ventilation function. Besides opening or tilting, you can place the handle diagonally. This slightly opens the window and allows fresh air to circulate without fully opening it. It's a small detail, but it can make a huge difference. Another important habit is in the kitchen. Always turn on the exhaust fan when cooking. Steam from boiling water or hot food can settle on walls and ceilings, creating the perfect environment for mold. But the place where mold grows the most is usually the bathroom. Warm steam from showers creates a humid space where mold easily forms on tiles, grout, and around the bathtub. That's where this powerful homemade spray can help. To make it, you only need 3 simple ingredients. The first one is vinegar. Vinegar has been used for years to kill bacteria, mold, and fungus naturally. The second ingredient is hydrogen peroxide, which you can easily find at any pharmacy. Both ingredients work well on their own, but when you combine them, they become even more effective against mold. Take a spray bottle and mix equal parts vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. Then add 10 to 15 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil is famous for its strong antifungal properties and helps prevent mold from coming back. Close the bottle and shake it well. Now spray the mixture directly onto the moldy areas. Leave it there for a few days so it can fully break down the mold. After that, wipe the surface with a cloth or brush. And make sure to throw away the cloth you used so the mold spores don't spread again. If you follow these steps, the mold should disappear and your home will stay cleaner and healthier. But that's not the only natural solution. There's another powerful mixture you can make using lemons. Start with 3 or 4 lemons. Roll them on the table using your hand. This helps release more juice. Then cut them in half and squeeze the juice into a container. From 3 large lemons, you should get about 400 milliliters of juice. Lemon juice has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, which makes it great for fighting mold. Next, add 1 small spoon of granulated garlic. Garlic contains natural compounds that slow down the growth of mold and mildew. Then add a small spoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon also helps fight bacteria and fungi. Mix everything well and then strain the liquid through a coffee filter or cloth. Pour the filtered liquid into a spray bottle and shake it. Now spray it on areas where mold usually appears, like bathroom tiles and shower grout. Leave it for about 20 minutes, then wipe the surface clean. And here's another surprising tip for your home. Did you know you can make a natural spray that cleans your mattress and repels dust mites? Dust mites love warm fabrics like mattresses and sofas, but they hate certain natural scents. Take a spray bottle and add 3 cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon naturally repels insects and leaves a warm, pleasant scent. Next, pour about 3 ounces of alcohol into a container. Alcohol disinfects and helps release the natural compounds from cinnamon. Then add 4 ounces of vinegar, which neutralizes odors and creates an environment that dust mites can't tolerate. Finally, add 1 cup of water. Pour everything into the bottle and shake it well. Now spray your mattress, especially in the corners and seams where dust mites hide. You can also use it on couches, chairs, and even in your car. But here's something even more interesting. Some plants can actually help reduce moisture and mold in your home. One of the best plants for this is English ivy, which absorbs extra moisture and helps remove mold spores from the air. Another great plant is the snake plant. It's extremely hardy and improves air quality even in low light. Boston fern helps regulate humidity naturally. Spider plants grow well in humid environments and help remove pollutants from the air. And the oncidium orchid absorbs moisture from the air, which helps reduce humidity in bathrooms. Speaking of humidity, there's one thing in your home that many people forget to check: your bathroom ventilation grill. If it's dirty or blocked, it cannot remove moist air properly. Here's a quick test. Take a small piece of paper and place it against the grill. If the ventilation system is working, the paper should stick to it. If it falls, the grill may need cleaning. You can remove the grill and clean it with baking soda and water using an old toothbrush. Or if you don't want to remove it, wrap a cloth around a knife, add a little dish soap, and clean the narrow slots. Once it's clean, the ventilation system will work much better. And before we finish, here's a surprising fact about the snake plant. Most plants use oxygen at night, but the snake plant is different. It actually releases oxygen while you sleep, which helps improve the air quality in your bedroom. It's also very easy to care for and doesn't need much water. You can even feed it with something simple from your kitchen. Eggshells. After using eggs, wash and dry the shells, then grind them into a powder. Eggshells contain calcium, which helps plants grow strong roots and healthy leaves. Once a month, sprinkle the powder on the soil in your plant pot. This natural fertilizer will help your snake plant grow stronger and keep your indoor air fresh. And with these simple tricks, you can keep your home cleaner, healthier, and completely mold-free. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple home hacks that really work.